In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Google Play Store keeps stopping. If your Play Store keeps crashing or closing on its own, the most common culprits are temporary glitches, corrupted cache files, or issues with Google Play services. Follow along and try these proven fixes in order, and I'll explain why each one helps. Start with a quick reset of the app and your device. Open Settings, go to Apps, find Google Play Store, and tap Force Stop. Then restart your phone. This clears minor glitches and refreshes system processes that the Play Store relies on. Next, clear the cache and data for both Google Play Store and Google Play services. For Play Store, go to Settings, Apps, Google Play Store, then tap Storage or Storage and Cache. Tap Clear Cache, then Clear Storage or Clear Data. Don't worry, this doesn't delete your installed apps or purchases. It just removes temporary files and resets the app's settings. Now do the same for Google Play services. Find it in your app list, open storage, and clear both cache and data. Because Play services is the backbone for many Google features, cleaning it often resolves stubborn crashes. After this step, you might see prompts to re-enable some permissions or preferences when you open apps again. If the issue persists, roll back the Play Store to its factory version so it can reinstall a clean update. Open the Play Store's App Info page, tap the three dots in the top right, and choose Uninstall Updates. Then open the Play Store and let it update itself automatically. This fixes problems caused by a broken or incomplete update. Now make sure your device's date and time are correct. Go to Settings, System, then Date and Time. Turn on Set Time Automatically and Set Time Zone Automatically. Incorrect time settings can break authentication and secure connections, which the Play Store needs to function properly. Finally, check for a system update. Go to Settings, System, Software Update, and install any available updates. Updates often include stability improvements and compatibility fixes for Google apps. For a smooth update, connect to Wi-Fi and ensure your battery is sufficiently charged. After completing these steps, open the Play Store and browse around to confirm everything's stable. Working through them in this order addresses the most likely causes first, from quick glitches to deeper software conflicts. Thanks for watching, and I hope this gets your Play Store running perfectly again.